I'm gonna show you how did I install this inverter. I plugged in two wires. A black wire come from this shunt over there and goes around everything, the battery, the breaker, and into the inverter. For the positive cable, the red wire plugging from after this switch, and it goes over under there and back up to this breaker, which is a 200 amps breaker for a 2500 watts breaker. And then I just get an extension cord and plugged the extension cord in the inverter directly. And this is the positive and the negative wire from the extension cord. It goes in a 30 watts volts breaker, and it comes out from the bottom to this box. The ground wire just goes around it and straight to the box. In the box, there is the three outlets that are in the van. This one, and one under there. And they're all connected with wagos. So this is a 5 plug wago, I guess. And so every ground are connected to the same wago, and it's the same thing for the positive and negative wires. So for example, I have the ground which came from the extension cord. These are the three wires which came from the outlets of the van, and that's it. And I guess you're safe with one breaker before the inverter and one breaker after. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.